You are so excited to taste it. I'm eating this money so bad. And I'm going to count from 1 to 5, and on 5, the horse leaves the gate, and you cheer your horse on. You cheer your horse on like your life depends on it, because you know that your horse only goes as fast as you cheer it on. That's right. Once you scream and shout and jump up and down and cheer on the horse, it makes your horse go even faster. Did we not have this about that? I thought she had out of mine plugged in. She didn't plug it in already? Oh, okay. Oh, it's back there. I can do it. I can do it. Here, I can do it. There you go. On 5, the horse leaves the gate, and you cheer your horse on. 1, 2, 3.